Last time we talked about linear functions and slopes, we talked about lines that rise to the right have a positive slope, and lines that rise to the left have a negative slope. We have two lines, one rising to the right, one rising to the left. The one in red, the person is at the bottom, and if we go from left to right, they have to walk up, which means it's a positive line. Reading from left to right, this person is at the top, and they have to walk down or roll down, whichever one they want to do, whichever one's going to happen by gravity. It is negative. What type of slope is this? If you said it's no slope or zero, you're absolutely correct. It's zero. I like to remember this because if I sat a tomato or apple round thing on top of it, it'll sit right there. Zero. You walk straight across. A line with a zero slope goes left to right, east to west, or horizontal. This person's walking straight across. I'm moving left to right. There's no slope on the ground. This line right here that goes up and down is undefined. North, south, vertical line, up and down, it's an undefined slope. I could draw a person right here, but what do you think is gonna happen to him? Timber! So how can you remember that? Let's look at some real life examples of lines with a zero slope and lines with an undefined slope. I'm able to place a bowl on this flat surface because it doesn't have a slope. This vase right here can sit on that surface with no slope. But if you look to the side, this is an undefined slope. What happens if I try to sit this on top of that? Let's try it with something that's not so fresh. Watch what happens when I sit it on a surface with an undefined slope. Oops! The bowl has now become undefined. Have you seen any zero slopes or undefined slopes in your everyday life? Let me know what you come up with in the comments. You just got Matthewed.